should take it slow.
Survivors, it's your girl Ruriko here, and today my darlings, we're back here with another video. If you're not subscribed and still here, we go, thank you so much. It's greatly appreciated. I love you. If it's the first time seeing you girl see my face, oh my god, where have you been? Welcome. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell, because you won't be disappointed of any of the content that I bring to you. I promise. Without further ado, guys, it's a review, guys. And today we're going to be reviewing the Rimmel London Insta Fix Matte Translucent Powder. We're gonna see if this works. So I've already put foundation and concealer because it says it sets both. So I'm gonna set my whole face. Now, little backstory, little disclaimer, I have never ever put powder over my whole entire face. I normally just set my concealer because that's what I normally do. A lot of beauty gurus, they set their whole face, so they can have their concealer, whatever type of setting powder they use it on their highlights, which is obviously their T-zones and chins really, but then they go in with a pressed powder normally, and it's like poof, poof, they put it everywhere, they wait the 5 minutes and then they brush it off, and voila, they have that matte finish. So as you can see, I'm very shiny at the moment. This is the reason why I decided this is the time for me to do this review, because it's meant to give you that matte finish. Obviously I shouldn't be glowing to the guards anymore. I should have that matte finish all over if this does what it says it does. So let me just go in with the packaging. So this is what it looks like on the outside, my loves. Very cute, very plain, very simple. You know what you're getting. Just a normal compact powder palette, and then when you open it, this is what I like the most. Can you see the detail that they put on the actual powder itself? That's very cute. It's different. It's hashtags.
Hang on, let me listen.
No, Siri, you don't need to listen to anything. Bye. Siri always trying to get into my videos. Have you noticed that every time I'm doing a video, Siri wants to come involved?
I can't seem to recognize this song.
Because no one played one. It's a nice play on words. It says it's an Insta Fix and Matte, and when you open it, there is hashtags, sweetie. There is hashtags. Hashtag Rudy Yamazaki on Instagram, so holla me. This is very cute. I like it. It's very different, and then on the back it tells you that it is 30M. It's 001 translucent, so this is number 1 in the Insta Fix and Matte. It's number 1 at 001. And yes, I'm just going to use my BH. This is so beautiful. It comes in a pack, and let me tell you something, these bristles, sweetie, so beautiful, and it feels amazing. So I'm going to be using this to set my whole entire face and see what happens, because I'm a bit scared. I'd never set my whole face, and if this goes wrong, I am literally going to cry, because I want to build upon my look, because I'm going out today. I don't necessarily want to wash off all my foundation and my concealer and my primer and everything else, because I done mess up. But yes, Rimmel's normally very good. I don't have any problem. I've never had actually a problem with Rimmel at all actually. So let's see. So I'm just going to go in like so, pick up some product, and I'm just gonna set my face, sweetie. I know my eyebrows look snatched, but it's because I haven't even done anything to them yet, so forgive me. But oh my days, the glow is gone, but it's giving me another glow. You know what I'm saying? Like, there's a glow there, but it's not greasy like it was a dewy kind of glow. It is definitely giving me another type of glow. I am pleasantly surprised. It says on the back that translucent pressed powder for a matte finish can be used to set foundation as a finishing step and for quick touch-ups during the day. Apply with powder brush over foundation or bare skin, and it is dermatology tested. It's set. It definitely set my foundation. Oh, I am living for that. I've never done that before, so it has turned out quite okay. I like it. And when I finish doing bronzing and my contouring and stuff, I'll be bringing back the color in certain places, and the rest of my skin will be looking very fresh, very light, very glowy. I like that. But yes, I am living for it. This is so cute. Let me find out if it's worth your coins, darling. So this really will set you back £4.24. P. That is amaze balls. It is so cute. I am living for it. It doesn't even look like it's been used. A little goes a long way. This has been the Rimmel London Insta Fix and Matte Translucent Powder. This is 8 grams, so you know you're getting a lot of product considering you don't need to use that much. And I am pleasantly surprised. As I said, I've never done this before. I never set my face and I'm loving it. I'm looking forward to finishing my look and seeing how far we can go with this product. Is it going to blur it out? Is it going to finish it? I don't know. I'm going to find out and I will update you guys on all of my social medias. So yes, does it go into Ruriko's bag of tricks? Yes it does. Rimmel London again has me covered, has me shook, has me shaken, done, has me deceased, gone. I am so loving this. I am so loving this franchise. Rimmel London, you're really outdoing yourself in the makeup world, sweeties. So it's been your girl Ruriko Yamazaki here. Just so that you're loved and you're all that anybody needs, sweetie, and I'll catch you. Yes, you, the one that came to the end of the video, hand with your girl. I'll catch you, honey bunny, on another video. Mwah! Yeah.
Maybe you should say